Know your body. Listen carefully. लक्षपूर्वक ऐका. Our body has many parts. All parts are special. Now listen these facts to learn how special they are. The brain keeps working even when you are sleeping. तुम्ही झोपला तरी तुमचा मेंदू काम करत असतो हं. We have 2 eyes but we see one picture. There are millions of bacteria on our skin but most of them are harmless. Our nose can remember 50,000 different scents or smells. Babies have around 300 bones in their body. As they grow up, the bones fuse together. लहान बाळाच्या शरीरात 300 हाडं असतात. पण जसजसे आपण मोठे होतो तशी ती हाडं एकमेकांमध्ये मिसळून जातात आणि मग grown-ups have fewer bones than babies. There are 206 bones in their body. त्यामुळे मोठ्यांच्या शरीरामध्ये फक्त 206 हाडं असतात. The body repairs itself. If the skin is cut or injured, blood starts flowing. A scab forms on the cut. After a few days, the scab falls off. There is new skin under the scab. तिथे एक खपली धरते आणि काही दिवसांनी जेव्हा खपली पडते तेव्हा त्याच्या खाली नवीन त्वचा दिसते. होय की नाही? The air from our sneeze can travel at a speed of about 160 kilometers per hour. When we cough, the air from our cough travels at about 95 kilometers per hour. A broken bone grows again and repairs itself. Doctors use a plaster cast to help it grow properly. Listen carefully. Our body is so wonderful, we must take care of our body. We should eat well at regular times. We should eat fruits and vegetables. We should drink enough water. We should take enough exercise. We should get enough sleep. We should keep our body and hair clean. We should cut our nails regularly. We should cover our mouth when we cough or sneeze. We should wear clean clothes every day.